When diving into the world of technology, especially something as ubiquitous as a laptop, we often encounter terms that, while seemingly simple, can have layers of meaning or even be used informally. One such term that might pop up in casual conversation or even in some tech descriptions is nifty. As a project management expert, I understand the importance of precise language and clearly defining terms. So let's unpack, what is nifty in a laptop? The simplest, most direct answer is that nifty in the context of a laptop refers to a feature, design element, or capability that is particularly clever, useful, innovative, or well executed, enhancing the user experience in a notable way. It's not a technical specification like RAM or processor speed. Rather, it's a qualitative description, an adjective used to highlight something impressive or advantageous about the device. Think of nifty as the little details that make a laptop a joy to use, or the ingenious solutions to common problems. These are the elements that often elicit an aha moment or make you think, that's really smart. Let's explore some common examples of what might be considered nifty in a modern laptop, breaking it down into categories to provide a comprehensive understanding. 1. Nifty hardware features. These are physical aspects of the laptop that stand out for their cleverness or utility. Innovative hinge designs. Beyond the standard clamshell, nifty hinges allow for 2-in-1 convertible designs, turning a laptop into a tablet, or unique stands that improve cooling and ergonomics. Think of hinges that lift the keyboard slightly for a more comfortable typing angle or allow the screen to fold completely flat. Integrated stylus/pen storage. Laptops designed for creativity or note-taking might feature a discrete, inductive charging slot for a stylus right within the chassis. This is nifty because it solves the common problem of losing or misplacing your pen and ensures it's always charged and ready. Privacy features. A physical webcam shutter or a dedicated microphone mute button, often with an LED indicator, are nifty additions that offer immediate peace of mind and control over your privacy, without having to dig through software settings. Biometric security. While common, a super-fast and reliable fingerprint reader integrated into the power button, or advanced facial recognition, like Windows Hello, that logs you in instantly and securely, can definitely be described as nifty for its seamless convenience. Tactile keyboard feedback. Beyond just having a good keyboard, some laptops offer exceptionally satisfying key travel and clickiness, or even subtle haptic feedback. This attention to a core input device makes the typing experience surprisingly nifty. Port selection, thoughtful in an era of port reduction. A laptop that still offers a useful array of ports, perhaps a balance of USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card reader, without being overly bulky, can be considered nifty for its practical connectivity. 2. Nifty software and integration aspects. Nifty can also apply to how the laptop's software and hardware work together, or specific software enhancements. Quick charging technology. Laptops that can charge to 50% or more in just 30 minutes are nifty for their ability to quickly get you back to work, especially when you're short on time or power outlets. Intelligent cooling systems. Systems that dynamically adjust fan speeds and power delivery to keep the laptop cool and quiet under varying loads, often leveraging AI, are nifty for maintaining performance and comfort without user intervention. Noise cancellation for microphones/speakers. Advanced audio processing that effectively filters out background noise during video calls, making your voice clearer to others, is incredibly nifty for remote work and online meetings. Second screen integration. Some laptops offer clever ways to extend your screen real estate, either through a dedicated small secondary display embedded in the chassis, like Asus's ScreenPad, or seamless integration with a tablet or smartphone to act as a second monitor. Battery optimization features. Software that learns your usage patterns to optimize battery life, or offers specific modes for extending battery duration during critical tasks, exemplifies nifty power management. Preloaded productivity tools/ecosystems. While some bloatware exists, certain pre-installed applications or tightly integrated manufacturer ecosystems, e.g., specific utilities that enhance hardware features, can be genuinely nifty if they add significant value without being intrusive. 3. Nifty design and ergonomics. Sometimes, Nifty refers to the aesthetic or tactile experience of the laptop, premium materials and build quality. A laptop that feels exceptionally solid, has minimal flex, and uses high-quality materials, like precision-machined aluminum, might be considered nifty for its craftsmanship and durability. Thin bezels. The trend towards ultra-thin bezels around the screen creates a more immersive viewing experience and allows for a larger screen in a smaller footprint, a nifty design choice. Weight distribution. A laptop that feels surprisingly light for its size, or one with excellent weight distribution, making it easy to carry and handle, can be nifty in terms of portability and user comfort. Why nifty matters to a project management expert. From a project management perspective, understanding nifty features in a laptop isn't just about tech enthusiasm. It's about optimizing team productivity, ensuring reliability, and managing resources effectively. Productivity gains. Nifty features often translate directly into time savings. A superfast login, a clever stylus solution, or effective noise cancellation means less friction and more focus for team members. User experience and morale. A laptop with nifty elements enhances the overall user experience. Happy and comfortable team members are generally more productive and engaged. Problem solving. Many nifty features are solutions to common pain points. As a project manager, identifying tools that proactively address these issues, e.g., privacy concerns, connectivity issues, battery life anxiety, can prevent disruptions to project timelines. Resource allocation. Investing in laptops with well-thought-out, nifty features can be a wise allocation of resources, as it can reduce the need for external peripherals, adapters, or workarounds, simplifying the tech stack for your team. Future-proofing, to an extent while technology evolves rapidly, truly nifty innovations often provide lasting value and can keep a laptop relevant for longer.